Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Microsoft Authenticator app review to see if it's worth using. So let's dive into the explanation. Microsoft Authenticator is a secure app that helps protect your account through multi-factor authentication, passwordless sign-in, and one-time passcode. It works with Microsoft accounts as well as other services like Google, Amazon, GitHub. The app is easy to use, support biometric login such as Face ID or fingerprint. It also offers cloud backup to keep your account safe if you switch devices. For anyone using Microsoft service regularly, it provides fast and reliable account protection. On the downside, some users have reported issues with synchronization issues, delay codes, or problems with moving account to a new phone. There's also a risk of accidental overwrite account if you rescan certain QR code, and Microsoft will soon freeze out its password autofill features. For non-Microsoft users, some of the advanced benefits may feel limited. So in my conclusion, the app worth using, especially if you use Microsoft account often and want a reliable security app, but not ideal if you solemnly rely on password autofill or want a tools fully independent of Microsoft ecosystem. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.